Hey everybody, welcome to Cab's Kitchen. Today we're going to do something fun. We're going to make Sophal's stir fry. Now my wife, her name is Sophal, originally from Cambodia, so we're going to get something authentic. And it's easy and it's fast, and everybody loves easy and fast, so 10-minute meal on the table, ready to eat. Your family will love it. Take your fresh vegetables, wash them clean, and cut everything up into small pieces, nice and thin and small. That's the key to a good stir fry. It'll cook more evenly and it's quicker. Broccoli is one of my favorite vegetables. We gotta have that. Lots of yellow squash and beautiful red bell pepper. You know, the only difference between a red bell pepper and a green bell pepper is 3 more weeks on the vine. So spend the extra money to get the ripe ones. They taste better, they're better for you. I love sweet onions, so we're gonna dice up our sweet onion beautifully for us. For our protein, we're going to add a couple breasts of chicken. Go ahead and slice that up nice and thin as well. Remember, this is a labor of love, so take the time and do it right. The love of my life, Sophal, grew up in Cambodia, and we got to visit about 10 years ago. Cambodia and Thailand is actually the place where jasmine rice comes from. It's a beautiful long grain rice. We're going to add a couple cups, rinse it really good, get it nice and clean, dump that water out and add fresh. The key to good rice is the perfect amount of water. Here's how you do it. Take your finger, put it all the way down. When you touch the rice, if the water comes all the way to your first knuckle, it's the perfect amount of water. Go ahead and put your lid on, turn it all the way to high, bring it to a boil. While that's getting to a boil, we preheated our wok. Sprinkle a little water in there. If it's a really good wok, you'll have an even distribution of heat everywhere and that water will just dance in the pan. Now that I know it's the right temperature, we add a few tablespoons of an extra virgin olive oil. It's healthier. A little bit of minced garlic in there, mix it up, brown it a little bit, and add your chicken. Boy, this is going to give it a great flavoring. Once that's mixed up, go ahead and put your lid on for a few minutes. Go ahead and let it simmer. Let's check on our rice. These pans cook so quick, it's already come to a boil, so take your lid off and boil the water down, all the way down till you can't see it anymore. Once you can't see the water, put your lid on, turn the heat all the way down to low, and just let it simmer. Well, our chicken quickly browned, so we're going to add a few tablespoons of a soy sauce, a few tablespoons of an oyster sauce to give that Asian flavoring. Mix it in, and then we'll add our secret Hoisin Sauce. This is a great sauce. It gives it a glaze, almost like an American barbecue. Broccoli takes the longest to cook, so go ahead and put your broccoli in and cover everything up for a few minutes. Then we'll open it up and add our red bell pepper and yellow squash. Mix all of it together. Throw that lid on one more time for about 2 more minutes. Then we'll go ahead and add our onions, mix everything up. What I like to do too, I like to add about a tablespoon of raw sugar. It's more natural than the processed sugar. I think it tastes better. Mix everything up real good. We'll sprinkle a little bit of salt and pepper to your liking. Throw that lid on one more time. It'll simmer for a few more minutes. And let's check our rice. Oh my gosh, it's perfect. Beautiful, fluffy, tender. Oh, every time. And the stir fry. Gosh, does that look good enough to eat or what? Oh. So now you have the chance to make Sophal's famous stir fry. Boy, it's great for lunch or dinner, fork, chopsticks, whatever you want to use. It's a party in your mouth. Thanks for joining us at Cab's Kitchen, and thank you to our sponsors, 360 Cookware. I hope you enjoyed our first ever YouTube video. You got to make that stir fry, and when you do me a favor, put the comments down below. I want to hear what you think of it. It is so good. Also, at least once or twice a week, we're going to be making new videos for you. Remember to hit the subscribe button so you know when they're coming, and hit the like button and share. We want everybody able to learn better. Every week, we want to teach you how to cook fast and easy and healthy. Next week, we're going to teach you how to do the perfect fried eggs. We're going to do scrambled eggs and even super easy to peel hard-boiled eggs without even using water. We will see you next time here in Cab's Kitchen.